we have to prove that the value of this determinant is 4 into a square b square c square. So if you observe it, here in the first column every element is containing a, isn't it? A here, A here, A here. Therefore you can pull out A as common. And in the second column every element is containing B, and in the third column every element is containing C. Therefore I am taking out A, B, C as common from the first one, second one and third row. Therefore I get A, B, C here, and remaining elements I am just writing them there. Okay. And next one is I like to do make most of the elements as zeros. Now if you observe it, if you see here there is A and here there is B and here there is A plus B. Therefore you can add these two rows and from them you can subtract this row, and then you can replace the result, get the result and replace it in one of the rows. Or you can even do it here also. If you look at it, here there is A and C and here there is A plus C. So you can add these two and subtract this one from there, or even there is, so all the elements you can go any order. I've taken this order. So I'm taking to R1 plus R3, okay, and then I'm adding these two, and from R1 plus R3 I'm removing R2, right? Then I get 0. So I'm going to replace it in place of R1. Therefore I got this. Okay. And now again if you observe it, you can make one more element as also 0. So if you check this, we can add these two and we can subtract it from here, right? Or you can check these two also, this one and this one. These two are same, so you can subtract column 2 from column 1, then you can column 3, and you can replace the result there. So what I am trying to do here is I am subtracting from column 2 column 1, which means this one is subtracted from this one and the result is being replaced there. Then I got this. Now if you observe it, most of the elements of the first row are zeros. Therefore we can find out the determinant easily by multiplying this element with its cofactor. You need not worry about these two elements because they are already zeros, right? So you have to take this one and multiply with the cofactor. Now if you observe it, in order to multiply the cofactor, you have to remove these two and find out the determinant. But then whenever you do this, just be careful about it. You have to see the sign that you should attach to this. The position of this one is first row and third column. Therefore minus 1 power 1 plus 3, which is plus 1. Therefore you need not worry about this sign. Otherwise you might sometimes have to attach minus, right? So now you remove these two and take the determinant of this. So if you take the determinant of this, you get this. So finally you are going to get this expression as a determinant. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have, you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.